Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we have been working on a brand new 69 plate Audi Q3. So this is the new shape one with all the gadgets, all the gizmos, an amazing touchscreen display. This car from factory came with front and rear parking sensors. So that means, as you've probably seen in one of our other videos, where you get the sensors on the left hand side sort of overlaid on top of whatever you're doing. So what I'm going to do is just quickly run through it, what it looks like once it's done and dusted and fitted. Sorry for the speed camera detector going bonkers there. So at present, when you're just driving about, if you pop it into reverse, you'll get presented with this lovely big screen image of your vehicle. So the parking sensors are on the left where they've always been, and now because we fitted the Highline camera, you get this really nice displaying camera image displaying next to it. So you can have the camera on or off, and then you just go back to how you originally, if you just came to us with parking sensors. And when you move your steering wheel, your guidelines also move. It's the beauty of genuine equipment. You go into settings, you can activate the trailer view if you've got a tow bar, so you can see the intended trajectory of where and how that trailer is going to end up. So we'll just pop it back to normal, and we'll just reverse up to the garage or unit behind us. So just using the guidelines, just seeing where we're going to end up, and then using them again here, we'll start to hear the parking sensors, and because of it we've got a really crisp image display, and we can get really close up. And this red line is normally about 30 centimeters away from when you're about to hit something. So now we're pretty much up against the garage door, and as we drive forward, those parking sensors and camera will stay on until you reach a certain speed. It's about 5 kilometers per hour. So if you've got an Audi Q3 like this, with or without parking sensors, or indeed an Audi A1, and you want to either get parking sensors, front rear camera, then just get in touch. The web address is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. If you want to ask a question, then just shout us on the comments below, and if you enjoy our retrofits and enjoy what we do, we'd really appreciate a quick like and a quick sub to the channel. It really does help us out. And as always, thanks for watching.